Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub, where drawing is always fun and easy. Today, we're going to draw a playground slider together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker and let's get started. Draw a big triangle at the top center of your paper. This is the roof of our playhouse. Below the roof, draw 2 vertical lines on each side. These are the pillars holding the playhouse up. Connect the pillars with a horizontal base and add vertical lines in between for the railing.
La da 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 dee.
Below the base, draw 2 loops or tubes hanging down. These are fun rings to swing on. On one side of the playhouse, draw 3 rectangles stacked like steps. These will be the stairs leading to the playhouse. Draw a slanted line above the stairs to create the railing. On the opposite side of the playhouse, draw 2 curved lines going down and connecting at the bottom. That's our slide. On the triangle roof, draw a small circle in the middle for a fun little window. Whoa! Look at that! Our playground slider is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make it pop. Look! How beautifully our playground turned out! Now it's time to bring our playground to life with colors. Grab your color pens and let's name the colors as we use them. Red color. Use it for the window and the rings.
Wow!
Orange color. Added to the steps and parts of the railing. Yellow color. Fill the roof and the top of the steps. Green color. Use it for the pillars. Blue color. Color in the slide. Purple color. Add it to the stair railing. Doesn't our playground look amazing? Nice job, everyone! Your playground slider looks so colorful and fun. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. Keep practicing and creating with Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.